இப்போ Van de Graaff generator பத்தி பார்ப்போம். Van de Graaff generator. Okay. It is a device used to produce high voltage or high potential difference in the order of 10 to the power of 7 volt. Purpose of this instrument is used to produce high potential difference in the order of 10 to the power of 7 volt. Second point, it works with the principle of electrostatic induction, and action of point. அப்ப ரெண்டு principle, action of point. So first use, it is used to produce high potential difference in the order of 10 to the power of 7 volt. Second, it works with the principle of ரெண்டு principle இருக்கு, electrostatic induction and action of point. Construction. இது ஓனா எழுதலாம். Let us consider Van de Graaff generator consists of hollow metal sphere mounted on an insulator stand. So இதுல ஒரு hollow metal sphere இருக்கு, அத ஒரு insulator stand மேல வச்சிருக்கோம். It has two pulleys, P என்ற ஒரு புள்ளி, C என்ற ஒரு புள்ளி. They are interconnected with the help of silk belt or rubber belt. ரெண்டு கிடல ஒரு belt மூவ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. It is made of silk or rubber. The pulley C is connected with a motor. That's all. So this is a belt made up of silk or rubber. There are two combs. Comb D ஒரு comb இருக்கு. Comb D. Comb ன்றது metal comb. See-through. Metal comb. It has large number of sharp edges which is connected to a high potential of 10 to the power of 4 volt. That comb is called D. There is another comb E. This comb E is also metal comb connected to hollow metal sphere. That's all. இதோட construction. அப்போ first it has a hollow metal sphere. நல்ல அழகா ரவுண்ட் அழகா டயக்ராம் பென்சில்ல போடுங்க. Hollow metal sphere mounted on an insulator stand. There are two pulleys, B and C. They are interconnected with the help of a belt made up of silk or rubber. The pulley C is connected with the motor. Whenever the motor is on, the belt will move in between the two pulleys in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, now there are two combs D and E. Comb D is connected to a high tension battery in the order of 10 to the power of 7 volt. Comb E is connected to the hollow metal sphere. That's all. Okay, now working. As soon as the high tension battery is connected, the comb D given positive charge. These positive charges are practically சொல்றேன், அடுத்து எப்படி எக்ஸாம் எழுதணும்னு சொல்லிடுறேன். Practically, there is a gap between comb D and the belt. The neutral gas atom will enter into the comb. So this is the comb, understand. This is a gap and this is belt. Whenever the neutral gas atom comes, this sharp edge positive charges are there. The electron of the neutral gas will be taken out so that the atom becomes positively charged ion. In other words, the positive charge ion gets leaked out by accepting the electron. Once it becomes positive charge, because of electrostatic repulsion, it is thrown on the belt. This positively charged ion take the electron from the belt and go out as neutral gas so that the belt become continuously positive charge. மறுபடியும் சொல்றேன், the neutral gas atom வர்றது ionized ஆகும். Electron will be removed. That means positive charge leak ஆகும். Positive repel and that positive ion will be thrown on the belt This belt take the positive electron and go out as neutral gas atom. Neutral gas atom வெளியே போயிடும். So that this process will continue. Positive charges are continuously developed on the belt. So these positive charges were taken from comb D to comb E. நான் இது ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா சொல்லணும்னா by the principle of action of point இது எழுதுனா போதும். By the principle of action of point, the positive charges were sprayed on the belt so that the belt acquire positive charge, taken positive charge from comb D to comb E. These positive charges are when comes nearer to the comb E by the principle of electrostatic inga by the principle of action of point, positive charges are given. The belt take the positive charge. When the positive charge come nearer to E, by the principle of electrostatic induction, the comb E take the positive charge and given to hollow metal sphere. Thereafter, the belt become neutral. Here, it is neutral. Again, it will go there, take the positive charge continuously. The positive charges will be taken from near comb D and it is given to comb E so that continuously huge positive charge will be developed on the hollow metal sphere. That's all. By this way, we can able to generate huge potential in the order of 10 to the power of 7 volt. 3 point ரொம்ப important. 1. The leakage of charge. The leakage of charge is minimized by clear the leakage of charge is reduced by the hollow metal sphere is surrounded by gas filled steel. இத சுத்தி என்ன வச்சிரோம்? Gas filled steel chamber. இது முக்கியமான பாயிண்ட். Steel chamber. So the leakage of charge is minimized by the hollow metal sphere is surrounded by gas filled steel chamber with high pressure. இது ஒரு பாயிண்ட். அடுத்தது, this high voltage. What is the use of high voltage? Used to accelerate this high voltage, கடைசி point, used to accelerate positive charge particle like proton and deuteron, H11 proton, H21 deuteron, to get accelerate positively charged particle like proton and deuteron to get nuclear disintegration and other application. Disintegration means breaking up a positive charge particle fast anti nucleus உடைச்சறலாம். அதான் disintegration and other application. இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லி முடிச்சறேன். அப்படியே பாயிண்ட் எழுதுறோம். Van Graaff generator is used to produce high voltage in the order of 10 to the power of 7 volt. ரெண்டாவது, it works with the principle of electrostatic induction, action of point. இது ரெண்டாவது பாயிண்ட். மூணாவது பாயிண்ட், it consists of hollow metal sphere mounted on an insulator stand. Insulator stand மேல இருக்கு. There are two pulley B and pulley C. B is at the center of the hollow metal sphere. C is at the lowest point. The C is connected with the motor. In between the two pulley, there is a endless belt made up of silk or rubber. There are two comb D and comb E. Comb D is connected to high tension battery in the order of 10 to the power 4 volt. E is connected to hollow metal sphere. A lot of construction working. As soon as high voltage is applied on comb D, simple by the principle of action of point, positive charges were spray on the belt. This belt carry the positive charge. When it comes nearer to the comb E, by the principle of electrostatic induction, these positive charges were continuously taken and made to store on the hollow metal sphere. Thereafter, the belt become neutral. Again, when it comes nearer to D, it will be given positive charge. Again, when it comes nearer to D, give out positive charge, it becomes neutral. By this way, we can able to generate high voltage in the order of 10 to the power of 7 volt. 3 point, last மறக்க கூடாத பாயிண்ட், The leakage of charges can be minimized by the hollow metal sphere is surrounded by gas-filled steel chamber at high pressure. இன்னும் practical சொல்லணும்னா என்ன gas fill பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க? Inert gas. So that the leakage of charge can be minimized. ரெண்டாவது point. What is the use? It is, this high voltage is used to accelerate positively charged particle like proton and neutron. Proton, neutron accelerate பண்றோம் எதுக்காக? To get nuclear disintegration. Nucleus ஒன்றைக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம் and other application. bookல it is this high voltage used to accelerate proton and neutron to get nuclear disintegration and also and other application சொல்லி முடிச்சிடுறோம். தேங்க்யூ. இதோட வேண்டி கிராஃப் ஜெனரேட்டர் முடிஞ்சது. ரொம்ப ஈஸியான கொஸ்டின். மறுபடியும் போட்டு பாரு. so that you can able to write in your own words so that understand பண்ணி எழுதிடலாம். Thank you children. Thank you student. Subscribe Emerson's Physics. Thank you.